Yeah man, the sun's out today, it's nice. You know what I mean, a little workout over the park. But yeah man, another quick little thought. Like I was saying in my last little video, I only just found out the other day that Mississippi only just ratified the abolishment of slavery in 2013. But I almost forgot. I was paying back the loan that was given to the British Slavemasters as part of their reparations for the abolishment of slavery. Me. In the form of tax money. They were given £20 million, the slave masters were in England, in the form of a loan, which was put onto the national debt. And that didn't get paid off until 2015. So everyone up until that point was paying off that debt within their tax money that's taken out of your wages and whatnot, down to the descendants of the slaves. All of the descendants of the slaves living in England. We were paying back the reparations money to the slave masters that held us captive for all those centuries. We paid them back. Sorry, I gotta raise my voice. That's absolutely taking the I paid what? Needless to say, man. When I found it out years ago, I was gobsmacked, to say the least. So all this argument that you get nowadays with the reparations money being paid back to the descendants of the slaves, and they're making all of these excuses about, well, we weren't there, why do we have to pay it, and blah, 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 that happened years ago. Then, okay then, that loan happened years ago, why the hell did I have to pay that back? You deprived us of our dignity for centuries, sodomized us, tortured us, did everything you can think of despicable to us, and on top of that, the descendants had to pay you back. What? Do you know what? Run me my money, man. Seriously, run me my money. Plus interest. Pay me back the money that I've paid you. You cheeky so-and-sos. Of all the cheek, of all of the cheek, you made me pay you back. For what? Not wanting me to leave. Wanted to... You wanted to keep us in darkness forever. That's blatant to see. You wanted to keep us in darkness forever and ever, amen. And you made me pay you back in reparations on top of that, because you couldn't keep us as slaves no more. I'm incensed. That's an understatement. I can't believe it. You made me pay you back, you know. You made me pay you back. What else? Again, I've got to ask the question, what else are you keeping from us? What else is going on that we're not privy to here? Yeah, I'm going to keep this short, man, before I start to cuss bad word, man. Sure. You made us pay you back, you know. You made us, we, the descendants, pay you back what you did to my family line, my ancestors. Paid you back for keeping me in slavery. You. You made me pay you. Huh? I don't know what else to say.